Today, I'm excited to announce Nala 3.0. See, we're on a mission to build payments for the next billion, and every single year we need to iterate and grow our business with our customer feedback. Let me take you on a journey really quickly. See, in 2022, we had no designer, and guess who was doing the design? Yours truly, me. I wasn't proud of the design, but we needed to just get something out there into customers' hands to get them transacting. So this is what the design looked like in 2022. Now we got a lot of feedback. Wasn't the best, but it worked, and we just needed to get customers transacting at that point. Then a lot of customers would tell us, hey, if I want to refer a friend, do I get any bonuses for it or anything like that? And we decided to build wallets in 2023 in order to refer a friend. In order to build wallets, we needed to change the design again. So this is what the design looked like in 2023, where we enabled wallets for people to be able to store money, but also earn rewards based on referrals. In 2025 today, referrals accounts for 67% of our new transacting customers. We really appreciate every single one of you who referred your friend to use the product, from 0 customers to 500,000 customers transacting today. Now in 2025, we need to upgrade the product even more. Especially as we hear your feedback and direction on where we need to go as a business, it's really important that we enable this and design with clarity for you to understand how the product is built. So today, I'm happy to announce the new changes that we've been making in our new product and tell you why we've made these changes directly, and you can play with it and give us blunt, honest feedback directly yourself. Starting at the top, we've built this centralized around the wallet and account. Many of you have asked us to store money on Nala. For this reason, we've enabled accounts for the UK and EU customers where you can have an IBAN or sort code and account number where you can send money directly into you. Next, we've kept compare rates at the top. We recognize this is an important feature for a lot of you in your decision making for how you send money. And we think it's important that we are transparent and upfront about this for where we stand compared to the competition. Third, we've upgraded transaction details, which enables you to search through your historical transactions as well as export them in PDFs or Excel format directly to your laptop or to your phone or to your email. Fourth, we recognize and realize most of you send money to the same 3 to 4 people. In order to make this faster and even the same amounts, you can either swipe right and click repeat transfer on the history of the transaction if it's the same amount you're trying to send, or at the bottom we dedicated an area that says send again. You just click on the person's name and enter the amount and you've sent it, making transaction and the experience of transacting even faster. And finally, widgets coming soon. What does this mean? Now for every single market, there's a different demand and different requests we have from customers. From Kenya, we enable bill payments. To India, we have UPI payments and different things that we're adding for certain core focus markets for ours based on your customer feedback and based on markets that are largest for us directly in the company. So we're adding a widget section where we'll be launching exciting products such as cards coming soon to a few of our markets. Not for every market, but a few of them. So if you want early access to these products, there'll be surveys that are pushed out there. There'll be early access signups that are exclusively given to our most loyal transacting customers or people who referred the most people to us as a business. So that is Nala 3.0 in a nutshell. If you're a designer or love building or just curious about how we made all these decisions, there's an article I'm publishing very soon. Actually, it's going to be in the link below of how we made this and if you want to understand our logic and design behavior. But it's mostly based on your customer feedback. So we appreciate all of you who consistently provide customer feedback, even when it's blunt, even when it's tough. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. I know I joined some of the customer calls, and for those who come to our offices or events or our meetups, we really personally appreciate this and don't take it for granted. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoy Nala 3.0, and obviously, please proactively give us feedback and share the love with Nala. Asante sana. Take care.